Okay, in this video, let's talk about a programming language, that is Python programming language. Before that, what is programming language? A language is a medium that is used to communicate. For example, the language like English, Hindi, Kannada, these are the language that is used to communicate with the humans. So by using that language, we can communicate with others and we can convey our thought or thinking or our plan to others. As the same way, the computer also have its own language because it don't understand the normal languages like English, Kannada or Hindi. So computer need a certain language, the logical language you can call it, the logical language to understand what it has to do. So in order to give the command to the computer or give instruction to the computer, we need certain language. So that for example, the language of computers like R, Python, C, C++, Java. So different languages we have that's used to communicate with the computer. By using these languages, we can instruct the computer to do certain tasks. So these are the languages that computer understand. So today we are going to talk about a language that is Python. Python is a vast language that is used for many purposes. So it is an open source language that built by many at the community. So let's understand some of the basics about some basic points about Python. So Python is a high level language and there are some points to be understand about the Python. So the four pillar of the Python language is first is statement. You have to understand what is statement. So statement is a set of instruction. For example, A plus B. So I will give, okay, let's for example print hello world. Print hello world. So this is a statement. This is the instruction given to the computer to print hello world. So this is called a statement. Any instruction or the line or a code that we given to the computer, that is called a statement in a programming language. So this is the statement. The next point is variable. So what is variable in programming language? For example, I will say a is equal to 6. Then I say print a. Okay, I will run this code and it will print 5. So here a is a variable and 5 is a value. So what is variable? The variable is a place. It's a place or position of that where the 5 is stored. It's a memory space. Variable is a place where the value is stored. Okay, variable is a place where the value is stored. So in simple we can say that variable is the memory location of certain value stored. For example, 5 is stored in A. So A is pointing to the memory location where the 5 is stored. So variable is a place, it's a memory space where some values is stored. So variable are the memory space. Here the memory space A, it pointing to the location of 5. Okay, here we assigned the variable with the value 5. So when we call the variable, it giving us 5. So variable is the location of the value, the memory position of the value. So this about variable. Next is syntax. So what is syntax? Syntax means it is the order in which the statement is written. So here we can see the print hello world or the a is equal to 5 print a. These all are the statement. So syntax is how the statement is ordered, in order in which the statement is written. So in order to generate a correct result, it's also called syntax is also called as the grammar of the programming language. As for any language, the English language or Hindi, it has its own grammar. When you say in that manner only that will be correct. So syntax is same as a grammar in the language. So in while you're writing the code in Python, while you writing an instruction in Python, you have to follow the grammar, means syntax of that language. So syntax is the order in which the statement is written. So in order to print the A, for example, in this example, in order to print A, I need to write like print bracket. Within the bracket, I need to tell A. So this is the correct syntax. Means grammatically, it is correct for Python language to understand. I am instructing the computer to give a result of print 5. So if I write print A, okay, it won't give the result. It won't give the result. It give error because syntax is wrong. So we need to define the any instruction syntax fully correct. So this is about the syntax. So the next point is symmetric. Symmetric means the meaning of the statement. What it means? The meaning should be sensible. Means writing a statement in such a way that it makes sense. For example, your statement is correct. Your syntax is also correct, but it doesn't have any meaning. So the language is symmetrically also be correct. That means, for example, I want to print like A is equal to, for example, I'm like A is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, I want to do this operation, but I want first this added first and then divided by 2. According to the math rule, it will first divide 3 by 2, then add 2. But I want first add this and then give this result. So in order to, it is correct as syntax is correct, but symmetrically is not correct what I am expecting as a result. So in order to make symmetrically correct, I need to put one bracket over here. Then I will get the correct result. Okay, when I enter print A, then I run this code, it will give 2.5. So this is symmetrically correct. Means what is sense, meaning? Means, for example, I will compare to the English language. For example, you said something, you write one sentence. It is correct as grammatically is correct, but whether it is correct as a meaning, what is pointing, what's the point of that sentence? Is that any meaning for that sentence or not? So that is called as symmetric. So these are the basic 4 pillars of the programming language. First one is statement, means a instruction. These all are the statement. Then the variable is a place where the value is stored. Then syntax means order in which you write a statement. Then the symmetric means meaning of that particular statement.